it's Kasia, and today I'm going to be showing y'all this Nadula wig. I accidentally deleted the footage of me opening the wig straight out the pack. So just to give y'all a little insight on this wig, I did include the video from the company, and it is a 24-inch body wave V-part wig. So I'm starting out with her hair in 4 braids, as y'all can see, and then I'm just going to start parting out her leave out. I did leave out her edges on the side that the bang is not on, and then I'm gonna leave out to cover up the wig, and then I'm gonna leave a little bit in the I'm gonna leave a section out in the front that is in front of her bang, just so it could be real flawless and natural looking. You don't have to leave out this much leave out if you don't want to, but I had a specific look in mind. So with the look that I had in mind, I needed to do the leave out this way. But I did use the wig in order to make sure that I parted the leave out properly so that it would fit perfectly. So make sure you do that whenever you do use your wig. Use the wig to make sure that your leave out and the wig fits perfectly. So I'm going to be doing 2 small anchor braids on either side of the leave out. Make sure they're small enough for where the wig is flat, but not that they're too small to where it can't support the wig. And then the rest of the braids can honestly be pretty big.
Just pulled up to the house, don't feel like getting out. I'ma just lay back and crack this window. I've been doing my best, taking a moment to rest, feeling stressed out. Give it a cut, I put that on God when it gets hard. I stay on my job like no days off, so you can go home with the negativity, with that broken mentality. Jump on jealousy, my bad. Get away from me, 'cause I've been working all day. Can I catch a break? Give a pretty brown girl her space. You can keep your bitter, I'ma make a better way. Hey, hey, already got the world on me. Give a pretty brown girl her space. You can keep your bitter, I'ma make a better way. Hey, hey, catch a break, better way. Oh, Mom and Dad's only daughter, do I make you proud? Writing my life in lyrics, do you like the sound? Seeking approval constantly when it's my truth.
Okay, so now I'm going to be applying the wig now that I'm done doing the braid pattern. I'm literally just using those clips. It's 4 right at the top that surrounds the leave out, but I'm literally just using those 4 clips and clipping them right into those 2 anchor braids that I did. And then there's a clip in the front that I'm going to be clipping into the front braid, and then there's a clip in the back and on the side. I'm gonna clip those in as well. Just basically you're clipping the wig onto your braid pattern, and make sure you ask your client if the combs are comfortable and if they feel okay, because you do not under any circumstances want those combs to be pulling or uncomfortable. So now that we got that in place, I'm going to use my small razor comb, which child, I should have been using a large razor comb. Y'all see how long it's taking me to cut the hair off? But anyway, I'm going to be using a razor comb to put in some very light layers so that when I curl the hair, it falls perfectly. I'm telling y'all, definitely make sure y'all put layers in y'all wigs and stuff when y'all have like bangs and when y'all wearing y'all hair curly. It looks so pretty. So now I'm going to do her leave out. I'm just pretty much taking down the braids, and then I'm going to flat iron them into place. And after I flat iron them, I'm going to curl her hair, And then after I curl her hair, I'll come back to y'all and give y'all more explicit details.
You're like the wind. You're like a butterfly. Need to be seen. You always need to fly. You always leave. You never tell me where. You need the wind, the wind. It always takes you there. Always the same routine in the morning. You always leave me without a warning. Without you here, babe, I'm feeling lonely. Come on and calm down my body, baby. I need your healing now, so don't leave. Spare me this feeling now, but it's okay now, as long as you're here. As long as I know you fly back to me. But it's okay now, as long as you're here. As long as I know you fly back to me.
Okay, so I'm going to be using some spritz. You can use whatever your favorite spritz is, but I like to use a light hold spritz. And also for the edge control, I am using even 24-hour edge tamer. But I'm just going to be slicking her edges down in a swoopity swoop motion. So I'm doing 2 swoops, and then I'm doing her sideburn as a swoop as well. You can really do the edges however you like, but I'm about to really give y'all the tea on how to make the edges last. So you make sure you flat iron them or curl them, whatever you like to do with the edges. Make sure they're straight, and then, or you can hot comb them. But make sure they're straight, and then you put the edge control on them and swoop them however you like, and then you use that spritz and blow dry them. Or you use some type of holding spray that you like and blow dry them. I'm using the IC holding spritz. It's like a olive oil spritz. I usually don't use this one, but this is like what I use if I'm not able to get the one that I normally use, which I normally use a different olive oil brand one. I don't remember what it's called, but anyway, if you go back a few videos, you'll be able to see it. But I'm just making sure I spritz that leave out in place, and then I'm blow drying it. And I'm doing that as well for the front and the other side, even though you really won't see that as much, but I still want it to be smooth and just, look flawless. So yeah, I'm just spritzing it. And keep in mind, this is not no pump it up spritz. It's not no hard spritz. It's a soft spritz. It's a light hose spritz. Do not be using no pump it up or what's that spritz that's in a brown bottle. Don't use that. Your hair is going to be crunchy. You don't want crunchy. You just want to hold a nice firm hold, but something that's still soft at the same time. So yeah, I'm pretty much done with the edges, and I'm just going to comb the curls out, and that's pretty much it for the video. So I hope y'all enjoyed this. Thank y'all for watching. Let me know if you have any questions in the comment section below. I'm going to leave all the details of this wig and this hair in the description bar below. And thanks for watching. Bye.
Wish for me to call you when you turn me on. The way you tell me you want me down. Done it, I done this before you falling. I won't catch you, don't know I'm stalling. Cause you love to have them all crying. Calling me sweet, telling me you need me. But I'm from a city that's high school. I give them this anymore.